Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danelle. If you're new here, welcome. If you have been here, welcome. So today we have a very interesting video for you guys and we're going to be trying Swiss snacks. So I have Jackie and Janelle here who will try these lovely snacks with me. So yes, let's get into the video. Alright, so have you ever tried Swiss snacks?
I've only tried one.
Which one?
Remember the sweet and sour cream thing?
Have you ever tried Swiss snacks?
No, I don't think so.
9, 10, 11 different Swiss snacks. So we'll start with this one, which is a Milchschnitte. I don't know what that is. Hannah, what's this? Now there's a car out Hannah in our video. So whoever bite first or break first. And this is how it looks. Let me show them how it looks.
For children, for thousand snack, you know, for
like a break.
In school.
So in school, this is like for
And
break
the old
time.
people don't have any teeth.
No,
yes,
we're not.
because I work
at
at a nursing home, and
this is what they eat.
Yeah, they give them like for coffee.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
because it's soft. All right, so it's supper time.
Oh yeah.
All right, so
So-
we should get napkin. All right, I've never tried this enough. So this is like a bread thing here and some cream inside. So here goes. It's not ice cream. You know what it reminds me of? Ice cream cake in Jamaica.
Yeah, but the cream
A little bit different from ice cream. Yeah.
cream inside it tastes like ice cream that we put on cake.
No?
No.
You know, so we're also rating them from 1 to 10. So what's your rating?
7.
7?
5.
5?
Yes, please.
I'd also rate it probably 7.5. 7.5 for the Milchschnitte.
For kids.
Which one next?
Ovaltine.
Ovaltine.
Ovalmartine.
Alright, so that's Ovalmartine. In Jamaica we call it Ovaltine. But to be honest, me never really look on the buckle if a Ovaltine or Ovalmartine.
It's Ovaltine.
Ovaltine.
It's like granola.
Yeah, it's like a granola
Bye.
business. I think granolas are very popular in Switzerland.
Sweet popcorn.
Sweet popcorn.
And caramel popcorn.
My rating, 8. You can't go wrong with sweet. 7. Why?
Because
The chocolate.
the kind of tastes bitter.
Bitter. Jackie, are your time to pick.
Okay, so this thing I want to know what it is.
Okay, so this is party sticks. It's salami in stick form. Yeah,
I thought it was licorice.
so it's no go on, no. Okay. Smells like salami. Salty. It's salami in stick form. Very salty. It tastes like a bit smoke.
I don't know how to describe this in Jamaica.
Corned beef. Corned
Salt
meat.
beef.
Salt beef or something.
I like salt beef. Fried salt beef. When you're making this salt beef to put in the ackee and saltfish in Jamaica, it tastes like that corned beef.
Oh, yeah.
Salt beef.
Oh, you rate it. Jack your face and look good. Why ratings?
Give this a 5.
Janelle 6. Me actually like it. Me can give it a 9. Really. Me like it. This one. So me call it Jamaican bulla. No, Swiss bulla because it look like bulla. Is it Biberly? Appenzeller Biberly. And Appenzell is an area in the mountain in Switzerland. Alright, so
We need
it's
some
about
hot
hard to
juice
edit.
now.
You say look at bulla? Look at Jamaican bulla. Alright. Yeah, there is smells good. It smells like Christmas, like cinnamon and Hannah, do you want a piece?
Naturally. I like this. Marzipan in it. It's some. Now I don't have it.
Alright.
Well, the outside of it tastes like our bulla, Jamaican bulla, a little bit like it, and the inside of the spicy cinnamon taste.
You like
You love it?
Almonds.
Hmm?
It's a feeling of almonds.
Filling with almonds. It's filled with almonds. Spiced almonds. So like there are cinnamons in it and
3.
1.5. Sorry, no offense.
I give it a 4 because I think it'll go good with some tea or something.
Me not like it.
Tea, maybe like
Is rice cake. They eat this, especially small children. This is their snack. Rice cake.
push out things.
Then you can get them in bigger sizes, but this is like a little treat. It doesn't have any smell.
It looks like foam and you used to push and thing that you don't want it to
And
break.
it's rice waffles, but it's rice waffles, rice cake. Alright, me actually like them, actually. If you're on a diet, good
Carrots, this thing is tasteless. It has no taste.
It tastes like popcorn without salt. Me can do this easy at 10, because I love it. Love it bad.
Eh? I give this thing about 3. That thing tastes less.
No taste. Alright.
Yes.
So, cheese sticks.
Mais Flips. What is it?
Corn
Mais
chips.
Flips.
Mais Flips, yeah. So, corn flips or something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cheese sticks you call it.
And there's one thing to note: the Swiss don't have
Cheesy
corn
snacks.
snacks like this. They might have with potatoes or so, but not with cheese strips.
The only
Now
cheesy
with
snacks I see here is Doritos.
That's fresh and having salt. This thing is so fresh. And he said it's salty.
Really has
It
no
tastes like a
taste.
bread where you eat
Which
when I
bread?
get a wine and a little piece of something, communion.
Communion. I have no clue what to associate this with Jamaica. It tastes like cheese strips, Jamaican cheese strips. The crunchiness, the texture, but the flavor, there's no flavor.
Make it a 6.
Five.
I will eat no good.
Because a
I
cheese
give
sticks.
one.
Pick me with it. 1.
Pitney wheat and me think it healthy and so. And it don't really taste so bad. It's just not a snack I would go and snack on and really enjoy it. So based on my own preference, I would rate it at 3. Kagi, very popular in Switzerland. So what it tastes like to you?
The one Jamaican snack with this tastes like.
Tastes just like the tiki.
Tiki. Yeah, it's
Tastes just like tiki.
This I'll give it a 10.
Yeah, me too. This is 10 for me.
8. Because I don't like dark chocolate.
But no, eat
But it's
that
not
dark.
bitter.
Maybe.
You can't eat no lunch after this.
How much we have left?
Alright, I'm gonna eat
We are
all
too
right.
much.
It's another this is from the Migros supermarket. It's another granola snack. Well, one thing I have to say is there's not a lot of similarities to the Jamaican snacks, in my opinion. Would you guys try or would like to try Swiss snacks? I'd love to hear that. Leave it in the comment section.
I also give that one a 10.
You get that?
I like it, yeah. There's just something about the taste that make you want to eat
more. Also a 10. 10.
Janelle?
7.
7.
The
Me
mess of it.
curious about this. I'm curious about this. So this is some like what we would call in Jamaica cheese sticks or cheese snacks or cheese curls or something, but it's not with cheese, it's with peanut. I don't think I've ever tried this before, so let's see what's in it. And this is also from Migo.
No, and if you take out the running on in there like a bingo ball, you have to take out. I like
It's
it.
very crunchy. And it tastes like peanut butter.
It tastes like bun up peanut.
Sorry.
This one tastes like peanut butter.
Tastes like peanut. I don't
hard
like
peanut,
it.
I give this one a null. 0.
Yeah, me too.
I can't.
0.0. Hannah, you have something to say?
It's a peanut butter curl.
Yeah,
We
no
used
flips.
to like it when we were kind of 6-year-old or so, but because you can put them one handful in your mouth, at once, and they vanish into something small.
Yeah, it's so fascinating how the German world we would love, and the American English cheesy snacks like this, and they're more with paprika and peanut
Sour cream.
butter, and it's different. All right, whose turn? This is the most popular Swiss potato chips. It comes in paprika flavor and it comes in regular flavor. Zweifel. All right. Good chance you never read it yet. 10,000 Swiss francs. One golden potato. Im Wert von 1,000. Hauptpreis. So how are we going to know the one golden? We have to do it? No, we find this snack inside. Alright, we put it.
We're searching for the treasure. You're supposed to get this.
You're supposed to
thing
go online and look.
and put in the code.
Yes, that.
So no, not golden treasure. I think the golden. Alright, I will try it from here. So
Where?
this snack.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
You like it? I like it. It's not cheesy. It's paprika. Oh, I don't know
Sweet
how to
pepper.
explain this. Sweet pepper. Sweet pepper, but
It tastes
we
like,
have no snack with
like
sweet pepper in
barbecue.
it.
We would
Like the flavor of it is like barbecue.
Similar, but not really.
Oh, it's not.
You have a barbecue
But we
taste
have no-
Your ratings.
too.
Me thinks I want golden chips in it.
10. 10. I did not.
For me, 10.
I give it a 2.
Clean again. Nush Stängeli. Alright. Hannah, do you want nush Stängeli?
How does you eat it?
You need strong teeth.
You need strong teeth.
Or you need a little cup of liquor. Nice sweet liquor, so you can dip it in.
Guys, this is our like Jackass.
Yeah.
You have to make it stay in your mouth a little. So you can bite it or you have to have strong teeth.
Flavor is not really like Jackass Farm. What's this flavor?
Hazelnut.
Hazelnut. Can't read this already. 3. I don't really like them.
I give it also a 3. I don't know what is it.
5.
5. You like
Hannah,
it,
what's your grade on the last snack?
10.
10.
I give them an 8.
8? Why? Why? And you love them so much?
It's too much sugar in it.
That's sensible. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for listening to our opinions, and let us know in the comment section if you would like to try any of these snacks, or if you would try any of them, or if you have ever tasted any of them. yeah, and that's it. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and follow Janelle on Instagram. Follow Jackie on Instagram, follow Hannah on Instagram. Alright guys, bye until next time. Bye.